Hi, I'm Sammy. I work in customer service and I'm representing South Africa because today we are playing International Snack Swap.
Hi, my name's Tom. I work in digital marketing and I'll be representing the Philippines. I was going to bring like chicken intestine in for you to try.
Oh my god, no.
And chicken feet. And it's called Adidas. I'm not kidding, that's what it's called. They call it Adidas because the three, like, it looks like the original Adidas logo.
Oh.
To be fair, I don't know.
Can I reveal it?
There.
You don't know either?
Yeah, not yet. Because...
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Oh, is it chalk ices?
No. And I don't know why there's so many on a plate.
Do I open it?
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay.
Basically, they're like sugar-coated crackers, and it's like the crackers themselves have dandruff, so.
Wow, okay.
It's a lot of sugar, but it's ube flavoured, which is.
Ubo?
No, ube.
Ube.
Yeah. It's like purple yam.
I don't know how I feel about being
it's just
filmed
sugar.
eating. Is it time? Very crunchy. It's quite tasty actually.
Like a tindahan.
Yeah.
Which is like a corner store. What do you rate it?
Do I have to give it like a number?
Go for it.
It's not maybe probably 5.
Oh my days, that hurts. That hurts.
Like it's good, but oh, here's your
On
dinner.
a pinch, or what? Oh, okay, thank you.
I don't know which was first actually.
Right.
So this is biltong. This is a South African staple, really, isn't it?
Yeah. It looks nice.
Yeah. It'll be a bit chewy, I think. Awkward silence while he eats.
I need to choose my words carefully.
Oh.
But it slaps. Yeah, that's good.
Slaps is good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
100% would end up swapping to your side, I think. I love biltong.
I would not. Swap.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, I'm quite excited for my next stack.
I wouldn't be. Oh, sorry, no, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Is it live?
No, it's not
live?
live. No, it's not live. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got the cheaper version because obviously I went to the Asian store.
Okay.
But they should be boy bawang, but it's not. It's something else.
Corny.
Yeah, it might be a little bit spicy because it's a spicy flavour.
I can do with a little bit of spicy.
It's a little snack. It's not too bad, I hope.
Oh, yeah, I really like that. It's a bit like the coating on the outside is almost a bit like Cheetos.
Right, yeah.
But like it's a nicer. Yeah, I really like that.
Yeah.
It's like crisps but better. Are they healthier than crisps
Jimbalog.
as well? Can I convince myself that's a healthy version of crisps?
No.
Oh.
Let's go.
The next meal. Doesn't look great, does it?
Okay.
So it's kind of relatively similar to course 1, I suppose. This is called, in sort of English, it's like dry vorst. But I sent a message out to my South African family this morning on how to pronounce it like in the proper language. That's how you say it. That's what it is.
Vorst.
It comes from, so there's a sausage
Vorst.
called, I think it's boerewors or something like that. It's a
Right.
sausage and you dry it out and that's what it becomes. It's got a bit of a coating.
Do I need to take the coating?
No, you
off?
can eat the coating. It's like a sausage.
That to me though is a way nicer snack than the biltong.
It's more flavoury, isn't it? It's got more flavour to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%. I would go with that over the biltong. But I prefer my little snack, I think.
I think I'm actually going to agree. I really like boerewors, or however you've said it. But no, I think I'm actually going to swap with you on this one. It's a close one because I like both. But those are delicious. How exciting. It's actually exciting when I don't know what it is.
It's also same with that.
Is that mango?
Yeah, it's just dried mango.
I love a bit of dried mango. I'm going to give the little one just for the speed of camera eating. That's good dried mango as well.
Yeah, true. And it's normally yellow mango that they use, I think.
That's very good.
Yellow mango.
Big fan of that.
Oh.
It's a full-on meal.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Roast dinner.
Oh.
I'll warn you, I made this. So it might not be as good as a traditional South African recipe. It's probably not as good as like my granny's milk tart. This is a milk tart. I've tried my best. I don't know how good it is.
Right.
Give it a go.
I'm going to pull this bit out.
This is like since I've been a kid, this is like my favourite like South African dessert.
It jiggles.
It's very jiggly. How are you going to go at this? Are you just going to...
I'm going to put it to the side. Oh wait, can I grab it?
You could grab it. You could like pizza it.
Okay, cool. Just look at that wiggle.
It's got a good amount of wiggle on it.
Cake twerking for me.
It's going in for more.
Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Yeah,
No, okay, it's all right, is it?
that's really nice.
Good, South Africa would be happy.
I don't. Definitely stay with your one, I think, over my one. Not gonna lie.
Well,
to you.
no, I think flavour-wise I'd say equal. I'm going to choose to swap as well then. Let's make us even because South Africa and Philippines are equally as good as each other.
Yeah, my favourite's definitely gonna be the dry horse, whatever it's called.
Really?
Yeah, I really
one?
like that. To
Okay.
be fair, like just quick and easy.
I think, I haven't actually tried my one yet, to be fair, but based on ones I've tried before, I'd go milk tart, I think.
Yeah.
We've
Yeah.
had so much fun. We love snack swap!